Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to brand monitoring with mention for SEO authority growth, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, access the Mention website by typing www.mention.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, locate the Start Free Trial button and click on it. You will be directed to a sign-up form. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Then, click on the Continue button to proceed. Next, choose the plan that suits your brand's needs. You can select from various options based on the features you require. After selecting a plan, enter your payment information if prompted. Once complete, review the terms and click on the Start Monitoring button. You will now be taken to the Mention dashboard. From here, look for the Create Your First Alert option. Click on it to set up your brand monitoring alert. In the alert setup screen, input keywords relevant to your brand. These can be your brand name, products, or industry-specific terms. Next, select the languages and regions you want to monitor. This will help you target your audience effectively. Once your parameters are set, click Create Alert. Your first alert is now set up, and Mention will begin collecting data. To refine your monitoring, explore the settings available in the dashboard. You can adjust alerts, add new keywords, or change preferences as needed. Regularly check your alerts for mentions of your brand across the web. Use this data to enhance your SEO strategies and authority growth. Engage with mentions to build relationships and improve your visibility. Lastly, analyze the insights provided by Mention for continuous improvement. This structured approach will help you effectively manage your brand's online presence. By following these steps, you are now equipped to leverage Mention for your brand monitoring needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.